Hi guys, and this is a new video about TikTok. So today we will show you how to check your watch history on TikTok. And yes, it's really possible. So let's check how to do it after tapping on the TikTok app. And right now we are on our profile page where we have to tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Later, let's pick on the settings and privacy option, which is on the bottom. And smoothly we can check that we have this option on the list. So let's click on the watch history feature to check all of our watched TikToks. So yes, as an example, we have the selected date here at the top to check all of the dates, all of the TikToks, and we can smoothly navigate on the list. So guys, if you like this short tutorial and if it was interesting and useful, don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on TikTok and of course on YouTube. Bye bye!